Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back again to share some more crafty goodness from the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo that I attended here in Mesa, Arizona this past weekend. And so you did see, if you are a follower of mine, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey. I do mostly card making videos here. If you have questions, I try to answer them right away. Just leave them in the description box below. And let's get back to the video. So yeah, if you are a follower, you did see that I was a participant in a swap. That is a class that the expo hosts, and this was the card that I made for the swap. But me and my crafty friends, we stay all weekend and reserve seats in the crop room, and so we usually challenge each other to make card kits, and then enough for all of us, and then we make the card there at the expo. And so usually, because I'm already in this swap, I just make extra kits. I don't put them together, and I bring the supplies, and then we're able to make them there at the crop for the weekend. And so that's what I shared with the ladies at my table. And then so now I'm going to share the other kits that I received and put together. And so we did get this one here, and it is an interactive card. How fun is that? We did pop it up on some foam, as you can see. It just says, "May your troubles be less and your blessings be more." And then, "And nothing but happiness get through your door." Such a cute sentiment. I almost think I might want to put a wreath just to add some color to the door, but maybe not. I like it. So that was another kit we received and we put together there. And then here was another one. It just says, "Let it snow." How fun is this paper? And we just added this snow stitch with the white gel pen. That does a lot for these pieces, but it was just a bunch of strips from different pattern paper. So cool. And then we put some foam on the back of the sentiment to give it some dimension. But that was another one. And then here was another one. So funny thing is, the last time we got together, I had a whole bunch of these. They were actually fall invitations, or maybe they were a baby shower invitation for fall, but I liked the truck on them and they were on clearance, so I bought a whole bunch packs, and then I divvied them all up and shared them between the amongst us. And so one of the girls made her kit with that, and they just cut it out with a fancy die and layered it on some cardstock and put it on the card base. She also gave us a wobbler so you can have a little interactive sunflower, and she included a whole bunch of sentiments, so you could choose what sentiments you wanted to use. And she also had where you could put the sunflower or these pumpkins, and I had enough card stuff, so I made another card with her leftovers and the sentiment. I had this card base in my stock and this burnt type of orange card base from my stash, but these pumpkins were included with the sentiments and the truck too. So I ended up putting together another card. Thank you, Sarah, for the extras. But yeah, so that's just a fun thing if you and your girlfriends get together. We just had to only make one kit this time, but in previous years you've seen they've wanted 2, 3, 4 kits, and that's like it's a lot. The one kit this year was just a lot, I feel. But anyway, so next September we'll be doing it again. But yeah, hope you found this inspirational and just gave you an idea of what to do with your crafty friends when you guys get together, just to make a simple card kit or some kind of embellishment kit or something that you guys can all share with each other and work on. But hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!